from this book. And the chapter's name is Neha, my sister. This is the story written by Madhu B. Joshi. Actually, it's a story about a girl named Preeti and her younger sister Neha. Okay? Let me ask you that you want to have a brothers or sisters? I think you all have brothers and sisters, right? And those who don't have, even they wanted to have, right? And I think you love your brothers and sisters, and even you give care to them, as I do, okay? As I told you that it is a story of a girl whose name is Preeti and her baby sister named Neha. Here it shows the bonding between two sisters. Okay? So look at here. Here are some questions. You just have to think it that do you have a brother or a sister? How do you spend time with them? That means here the question was asking you that do you have a brothers or sisters? And as well as the question is asking you that how you spend your time with your sisters or with your brothers, okay? And the next question is, do you wish to have a brother or sister of your own? Why? So this is the questions which is asking you about if you don't have a sister or a brother, you would like to have a brother or sister. If yes, then why? Okay, you just have to think, and you can write it down that why you want brothers or sisters. Okay, so these are the questions. You just have to imagine it and write it down. So now come to the story portion, reading junction. Okay, first I'll read a story line by line and I'll explain it to you side by side, right? Now look at it. As I told you that this is a story of Preeti, okay? So, baby brings a lot of joy to everyone. Let us read what Preeti has to say about her baby sister Neha. That means baby brings a lot of joy and happiness to everyone, right? So even Preeti want to say something about her baby sister. Okay, now let's see what she want to tell us and what she want to share with us. Okay, look at here. Papa woke me up early one morning. Get up, my child. Open your eyes. Where is Ma? She wakes me up every day. Papa, where is Ma? Ma is in hospital, replied Papa. People go to a hospital when they are sick. Hospital means painful injections and bitter pills. Ma is in hospital. She must be sick. Okay? So according to this, one morning, Preeti's father woke her up instead of her mother as she was surprised. Okay, and she was surprised that because generally her mother used to wake her up in the morning. So she asked to her papa that, where is my mother? With full curiosity, and Papa replied that your mother is in hospital. She was worried when she heard that her mother is in hospital, because as she know that hospital is a place where sick people go to the hospital for the treatment, okay, and doctors are available there. So she thought that hospital means painful injections and bitter pills. Bitter means which is not sweet, and a pills means a solid medicine. Okay, so she thought that her mother must be sick. That's why she cried very loudly. Look at her. I cried loudly, bring Ma home. Papa laughed. Do not cry, Preeti. How will I go to school? I will dress you up, Preeti. I will drop you at school. Papa was still smiling. Okay, according to this, actually, she thought that her mother must be sick. Okay, that's why she cried loudly and told her father to bring her mother back to home. Okay, hearing this, her father laughed and said, "Don't cry." Okay, but Preeti was worried that how she will go to school, how she is going to dress up when mother is not there. Then her father replied that not to worry about. Okay, I will dress you up. Her father said that I will dress you up and I will make you ready and drop you at school too. Her father said all these things. Okay, and he said that so you don't have to worry about all these things. Okay, her father said that. Now come to the with a smiling face. Now come to the next paragraph. Okay. Papa dressed me up that day. He helped me put on my shoes and do her hair. He also gave me chapatis. He did not force me to drink milk. My papa, my loving papa. Okay. According to this, Preeti's father dressed her up, okay, and he helped her to put on shoes and even to comb her hair, as well as he made breakfast for her. Okay, but most important thing is that her father did not force her to drink milk, as her mother does daily. As a mother forced her to drink milk daily. Okay, so Preeti was happy. Okay, so she said that, Papa, I love you. Okay, so she said that she loves her papa. Okay, now come to the next paragraph. Papa dropped me at school. Ritu had came with her mother. Minu had came with her mother too. Salil and Ajay too had come with their mothers. But my ma is in hospital. She is certainly ill. I started crying again. My throat began to ache. Okay. So now her father dropped her at school. But as soon as she arrived at school, she saw that her friends Ritu, Minu, Salil, Ajay came with their mothers. But she was realized that her mother is in hospital. Okay, so she started to cry again. Due to which she cried a lot. Her throat started to ache. Okay, ache means pain, right? So come to the next. Preeti, why are you crying? Inquired Suman madam. My ma is in hospital. Suman madam is my neighbor. She laughed and said, do not cry, Preeti. Your mother is all right. If ma is all right, why she is in hospital? Why did Papa and Suman madam laugh? Okay, according to this, her Suman mother, who is her neighbor, okay, neighbors, you know neighbors, a person or a people who live nearby you, okay. So her Suman mother is a neighbor, okay, as well as she is a teacher of Preeti, okay. So when she saw her crying and she asked Preeti that why you are crying, then Preeti replied that my mother is in hospital. Okay, hearing this, Suman madam laughed and she said, don't cry. Your mother is okay. She is perfectly all right. Okay. Now come to next. Tring. When the bell went the bell, it was time for recess. Ritu said to me, your mother will bring a sister for you from the hospital. You get babies from hospital, tiny babies. Salil added, my mother brought me a baby brother from the hospital. Okay. Even hearing the conversation, conversation of her father and her teacher, Suman madam, Preeti was upset and worried. Okay, soon the bell rings. Okay, so the bell rings means it times for recess. Recess means for lunch break. Okay, Preeti is still upset. So her friends told her that your mother is going to bring a baby sister for you from hospital. Hospital is a place where you get little tiny babies. Okay, all these things are said by her friends. Okay, and one of her friends added that her mother brought a baby brother from the hospital. Okay, now come to next. What will Ma bring me, a brother or a sister? After school was over, Papa came to pick me up. Papa, what has Ma brought for me? A brother or a sister? I asked. Ma has brought a sister for you. Papa was very glad. Shall we go to the hospital to see my sister? Okay. We will go in the evening, answered Papa. Okay. Now, Preeti get curious that what her mother going to bring her from hospital. Okay. Either a boy or a girl. She was worried and she just wanted to know. She was curious. Okay. So after the school is over, her father came to pick her up. She couldn't wait to ask her father that what does a mother brought from the hospital. Okay, so she asked, and in reply her father answered that her mother brought a little sister for her. Okay, hearing this she was excited. Okay, she was excited to see her. Okay, and to meet her. That means her means little baby sister. Okay, so she asked her dad, okay, that can we go to meet her? Then in reply, her father said that we will go in the evening. Okay. For lunch, now come to next. For lunch, Papa made fried rice with peas. I also had halwa, then I slept. Okay. That means as soon as they reached home, her father made lunch for her. That was fried rice with peas. Okay. Even they had halwa also, and they went to sleep. Okay. Now come to the next. In the evening, I wore my favorite red frock. Papa combed my hair and we left the school. We left for the hospital, sorry. Okay. So in the evening, she wore her favorite red frock and her father combed her hair too, and they left for the hospital. Okay. Now come to the next paragraph. Ma was lying on a bed in a big room. There was a small cradle beside her bed. In the cradle was my sweet little sister. She had a small pink face, tiny black eyes, and very short hair. She cried very loudly, and it sounded something like wah wah. Okay. Now, when they reached the hospital, okay, and when she saw her mother in a room, room was very big. Okay, room was very big, and when he saw her mother was lying on a bed, and beside her bed, what was there? There was a cradle. Okay. And there was a sweet baby sister in the cradle. Okay. She had a small pink face having tiny means small black eyes and very short hairs. Okay. And the baby was crying in a loud voice. Okay. Now come to next. Can I take the baby on my lap? I asked Ma. Not now, she is very small, Papa said. Let her grow up a little and then you can take her, said Ma. What will you name her? Papa asked. I gave it a thought and announced Neha. Okay. She could not wait to carry her baby sister, okay? And she asked her mother that can I take the baby on my laps? In reply, Papa said, no, not now, because baby is very small. And her mother explained that as her baby sister is very small, let her grow up. Then you can hold up, okay? Her father asked that what name you want to give to your sister, okay? She started to think and at last she came up with the name Neha, okay? On Sunday, we brought Ma and Neha home. Ritu, Minu, Ajay and Salil came home to see Neha. Ritu commented, wow, she's so small, like a doll, okay? Finally, on Sunday, her mother and Neha brought back to home, okay? And all of her friends, means Preeti's friends, came to see Neha, okay? Wow, she's small, she's like a doll, Ritu expressed her opinion when she saw Preeti's baby sister, okay? Now come to next. Ajay said, her hands are too tiny. Salil said, see, Neha is looking at us. Neha said, boo. Hey, she do not have any teeth. She does not have any teeth, remarked Minu. Everybody laughed. Newborn do not have teeth, explained Ma. Okay. Even Ajay said that her hands are too tiny, okay. When Neha said boo, Minu remarked, means noticed that Neha does not have teeth, okay. And hearing that, everyone started to laugh. And Preeti's mother explained that newborn babies don't have their teeth, okay. Now come to the next paragraph. I love Neha very much. I am her elder sister, her Didi. I have now started taking her on my lap. When I shake the rattle, she laughed a lot. I also sing her song. When I come to home from school, Neha says, Boo-boo. I know the meaning. She says, my Didi has came. Neha speaks a different language. Okay. Preeti is so glad that she is her elder sister. She said that she love her sister, she love her younger sister. Okay, very much. Now she have started to take care of her. That means she started to take her on her laps as well as Preeti started to take care of her. Okay, she shake her rattle means a baby's toy that makes noise. Okay, rattle means baby's toy which makes a sound. Okay, when shake. Okay, so when he shake to make her sister laugh, she also sings song for her. Okay, though Neha can't speak like everyone, but Preeti understands her different languages very well. Okay. Now come to the next paragraph. Neha drinks milk from a bottle. Sometimes Ma lets me hold the bottle and feed her. Neha is getting very naughty. She makes bubble in the milk by blowing back into the bottle while making a noise that sounds like whoo. Okay. Neha drinks her milk from the bottle. Okay. And sometimes Preeti's mother Preeti's mother gives a permission to hold Neha's bottle. Okay. But as she grows, Neha became naughty. Okay. So she used to make bubbles in the milk by blowing back. Okay. Now come to the next. And the sound is like whoo. Okay. This game seems to greatly amuse her. When I kiss her, she smiles. There is a small bell attached to the cradle that rings whenever the cradle is rocked. It is a very smoothing sound. Okay. This game, so that means this game seems very funny to Preeti. When she kisses her, Neha smiles. Okay. When Preeti rocks the cradle, there was a bell attached with the cradle, okay, and which makes smooth and peaceful sound. Sometimes Preeti's mother, sometimes Preeti also sing with her mother, okay, like for little baby sister, okay, like look at here. I softly sing with ma. Sleep, my doll, in a red cradle you sleep. The moon will shine in your dream with chocolates full of milk and cream. Neha closed her eyes. She smiled her of a sudden. Finally, she goes to sleep. That means when they sing for the Neha to make her sleep, okay, after some time, after hearing the melodious sound of the song, finally Preeti would smile because her baby sister was slept. Okay, so this was the end of the story. I think you all have understood, and try to do the exercises portions of this chapter, and the assignment sections you will get through the WhatsApp. So thank you.